Hi everyone, Erin here. I'm a stylist here at CJSI, and for today's YouTube video, I'm going to be taking you through styling mistakes that are making your outfits fall flat. So to give you an example of this, I'm going to be doing it with just one base outfit. So it's going to be these jeans, a white tee, and a blazer, and I'm going to show you how it will look from drab to fab. So that's going to be the whole process of the video. We're going to build the whole outfit from the bottom up. So we're going to start with problem number one, which is going to be the footwear that you decide to wear with your outfits. So if you are wearing pants like this, you can already tell that they are too long. These shoes are very flat, and also they're kind of boring if you want to wear them with a blazer and everything and make them look a little more elevated. So this is just not the vibe. So I will quickly go and grab one of my boots and show you the difference, and we can see which one looks better. Okay, this is a little tricky to show you because I'm kind of like off balance here, but I think you can clearly see the difference between having a flat puddled look like this versus an elongated toe, and shows the nice length of the pant, and the pointed tip on the boot really like just adds the whole length element, which is very nice, and it's exactly what we're looking for. So this is tip number one. You always want to find the proper footwear to your pants. Amanda did a video on this, I believe last week, talking about your pant lengths and what kind of shoes you should be wearing with them. So if you want, you can do a little refresher on that video and come back here. But this is just a little quick tidbit just to remind you that you always need to dress for your pant length. And if you don't want to wear a long pant like this, you can obviously wear more of like an ankle cropped jean, and you can wear a flat, a loafer. That's totally okay too, but make sure you are dressing for the pants you are wearing. So that's number one. I'll quickly go put on my boot and we'll talk about number two. Okay, I have on my second boot. Now we're gonna move on to the second mistake that you're making, which is not tucking in your t-shirts. Now I know some of you are gonna be like, oh, well, the Gen Zs online, they're telling us that we can't tuck in our shirt, it makes us look too old or millennial, whatever the hell the reason is. That's not the case. You can tuck in your shirt. If you want to go for a baggy, over-exaggerated look, you can do that as well. But if you want to make your look more polished and elevated, a front tuck is probably your best option. So actually, I can show you how easy it is. Even though I have the mic in this hand, you can literally just do a front tuck with one hand. It's not that complicated. And then you just have it kind of bunch over like this, just like that. So this already gives me shape. It adds a little bit of definition to my waist. It shows you where my waist ends and my hip and legs begin, which is nice. It adds length to my whole outfit already. You don't even need a blazer for this look. If you really didn't want to, you could totally go out with a white t-shirt like this, just front tucked into your pants. Now remember, it doesn't have to be jeans. It can be trousers if you wanted to as well, that you can do this with. So the last step, I'm going to show you how to accessorize and bring it all together, because that's also a styling mistake, is that people aren't accessorizing enough. You're making your outfit fall flat just by not adding stuff to your outfit, which I'll show you, so I'll get into that in a minute. But you can already tell how the front tuck makes a world of a difference. So that was tip number two, to tuck in your shirts. Now, for tip number three, I'm going to show you how to properly wear your blazer. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, we're back with the third styling mistake, which is not knowing how to properly wear your blazer. Now, especially if you have an oversized blazer, oftentimes you're gonna kind of look like a box like this. And sometimes that is the look. Sometimes I enjoy that look of having more of a boxy fit, especially when it's the fall or the winter. I want my sleeves down sometimes. However, in a more professional setting, it looks a little bit more polished if you were to push up your sleeves. And we've talked about this trick many of times, but I will still show you again. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to fold in your cuff like this. And you can do it twice if you want. It depends how oversized your blazer is. Sometimes all you have to do is just scrunch it up and it will go past your elbow. But now that I have it folded over twice, I'm going to push it up past my elbow like that. And you can already tell from the one side being up and the other side being down how much of a difference this really makes. So I'm going to quickly do it to the other side. Again, I'll show you again. You're going to make sure that you're cuffing it, you're rolling it inwards twice. just like so, and just scrunching it past your elbow, like that. And it already makes so much of a difference. So see how we have worked from the bottom up. I showed you about the shoes and the pant length, from tucking in the top, now to how to properly style your blazer. This is a huge issue that a lot of our clients have. And I can tell you 99% of the time is because they're not rolling up their blazer sleeves. Once you show them that, they're kind of like, oh my God, this looks amazing. And it's true, because it does. It looks more polished. It looks more put together. So that is tip number 3, to remember to roll up your sleeves. So this outfit is almost complete. And this is where probably most people would stop. To be like, okay, I'm ready to go. Let's head out the door. But you need to accessorize. That's a big part with your outfits. You want to make sure that you're at least having 3 points of interest when it comes to getting dressed. So those 3 points could be earrings, the second one could be a belt, and the third one could be a bag. Those are 3 points of interest. Or another one can be your shoe, a necklace, and sunglasses. So you always want to make sure there's something that you're looking for on an outfit that's making your outfit pop. So I'm going to come back with some of my accessories on and walk you through that a little bit more. Okay, and now we are back with the 4th tip, which is to accessorize, like I mentioned before, and you can already see how much more dressed up the outfit is now that I have all the accessories tied together. For example, the belt is a big one. This adds a huge point of interest, and it also defines your waist even more. And I have a ring on, a statement ring. I have a watch. I have my bracelet stack, my earrings, and my necklace. So this is already really easy accessories to dress up your outfit. I'm sure all of you have earrings and necklaces and bracelets or rings or whatever have you that you wear a lot. Maybe some of you are forgetting about a belt, so you can totally add a belt to your outfit, and that already dresses it up. So this is perfect for like if you're going into the office, for every day. This is what I wore to work today. So I'm going to show you how it looks with 2 last finishing touches, which is a purse and bags, just so you can get the full effect. Now the outfit is officially complete. I have my sunglasses on, I have my favorite bag at the moment, and these just complete the whole look. This is exactly how I would wear this outfit walking out of the house if I was going to work, if I was just going shopping, for dinner, for lunch, all of that in between. So yeah, this is the finished outfit. And I hope that me starting the video off with the deconstructed look and talking you through the mistakes, but also showing you the tricks and tips as we made the outfit helped you all along the way. I hope you all learned a little bit about some of the mistakes that you might be making. But now you can take these tips and tricks and put them into your everyday life as you're getting ready. And remember, this doesn't just apply to this outfit with a blazer and a t-shirt and jeans. This applies to so much more. For example, this can apply to your workwear as you're wearing trousers and a poplin shirt. You can totally tuck that in like I just did, a front tuck, and add a belt, and you're still good to go. This is kind of interchangeable. So all of these tips do apply to so many more different outfits than just the one that I have on. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all learned a lot, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye.